Hello everyone, it is Steph the Builder, back with another LEGO video. So, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be rebuilding a LEGO MILLENNIUM Falcon. Now, all my pieces are on the ground over there, but I'm going to color code them and put them into big parts and small parts. They're mostly all gray, so it should be pretty easy. But it might take a bit longer than usual builds, so it's going to be a pretty long video. And then I will start the time lapse and build it for you guys. So yeah. Look at this giant puddle of bricks. It was in my old room, so, and they were all in these boxes over here. There's also a ton of other stuff, but yeah, I'm going to focus on the Millennium Falcon. And I gotta sort through all of this and break it all down. So yeah, cut to me doing that in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, just finished organizing all the bricks, and it took quite a bit. Or no, I didn't organize them, just finished breaking down all the bricks. It took quite a bit, so now I have to organize them. So I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, you've got everything organized. Stretches far and wide on my desk. The gray plates are over here. The sections without Tupperware are bigger pieces, and then the sections with Tupperware are smaller pieces. I just mixed those in because there wasn't that many. And then tan and then black. So, yep, let's get to this time lapse. Okay, I have finished like the first half of the Falcon. I didn't. This is actually a new day. I didn't do it last night because it was like 12 in the morning. But yeah, we're about like halfway through, kind of. I still gotta do all the roof. So here's some little interior details like some beds. Here's the chess game. And then this is gonna be where the cockpit is. And then these are like the wings that like come out like right here. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And let's get back to building. Okay, everyone, I just finished the Falcon. Okay, this lighting's terrible. 1 second. Okay, this is much better. So, as you can see, I finished it. Now, let's start at the cockpit. So you can take this whole thing off, and you can sit someone inside there. Preferably like, I don't know, Han Solo or something. So that's pretty cool. And then up here, you have a gun. Like can like move up and down. Like if it's upside down, it can move like, I don't know. And you also have one on the bottom, if I can get to it. There's the gun on the bottom, and you have 4 legs too. So yep, pretty cool, pretty cool. And also on the outside, you have this satellite dish. Over here, you have 2 weapons. So as you can see this. What do you call this? This is the spring-loaded. If you come up here and look inside this hole, you can push this down, and you can shoot this at yourself if you want to. See? There's also one on this side too, right there. And then you just put it back in by doing one of these. Kind of need two hands to do it. There we go. And then the other outside features we have is this thing can open up. And I honestly do not know what that is down there. Maybe that's where they like fix stuff. I have no idea. I could not tell you. But that's basically all for the outside features. So you see some mismatched bricks, like this grill piece right here, sloped grill, and then this grill piece, this black one. It's because I didn't have all of the pieces. So now let's go into the inside. This part is the most satisfying thing I've ever seen. Oh, boom! 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And if you even wanted to, you can rotate this. On the inside, we have some chairs where the Wookiee Chewbacca plays chess. There we go. Chewbacca's playing chess. And then over here, we have a spinny chair with some controls, I guess. That's what you want to call it. Over here, I guess we have like a little lounge area or storage or something. Over here, there's some more boxes. Over here, we have some beds with a box on it. Over here, I think this has guns in it, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, there's some guns in there. And then we have, I guess this is for the hyperdrive, maybe. Oh, that brings me to the last and final piece of this build. Let's close all this up. And now for the final piece, the hyperdrive. Very, very, very cool. Yep, this is the Millennium Falcon. This is the one from like The Force Awakens, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. And that will do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe down below. And I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.